Higgs fields and bosons, the big lie of the Standard Model. Both Higgs bosons and fields are a poor and erroneous representation of the physical reality of the cosmos, since what really exists are gravitational force fields, the action of cosmic energy in its concentric and cumulative form, and the material particles of all dimensions that these energy fields condense in their center. Friends, one of the topics I often bring up is Higgs bosons and fields, because I understand that they are pure and extreme manipulation within the already erroneous Standard Model. And I do so because I'm a little outraged by the attempt by the official scientific media to force such a physical incongruity into our minds. The Higgs boson is only obtained artificially in particle accelerators through the collision, accumulation, fusion, and explosion of matter, for example, smaller atomic nuclei, giving us completely unstable particles with infinitesimal lifetimes, which are not found in nature. Therefore, it is not credible, or even acceptable as a hypothesis, that a modern, artificial particle, created by us in particle accelerators with an infinitesimal lifetime, could have given mass to the entire universe in the past, and continues to do so today. So what have they discovered or measured in particle accelerators? Well, quite likely a cesium nucleus, which we already knew resulted in atomic explosions, for example, of uranium. So, although it may be a bit repetitive, Higgs fields and bosons are a poor physical interpretation and representation of what actually happens in the cosmos, which are cosmic energy fields and their gravity, and the material particles of all types and dimensions that these fields condense at their center. See my cosmic and atomic model. Well, let's now move from that incomprehensible and complicated Standard Model to a more congruent and easy-to-understand model based on what is observed in the cosmos, in this case, my cosmic and atomic model, whose atomic structure and orbital systems are located at http://fermencebo.com/atom_models.html. And in this case, the imaginary and undiscovered Higgs fields are already present in the perfectly known and proven gravity fields. The Higgs bosons or particles are already present in all the material particles that stably fill the universe. And the structural physics would be as follows, very simplified. Cosmic space is completely filled with cosmic forces or energy, which, when acting or directed concentrically, gravity, on any point in space, coalesces, adds up, and condenses into points of matter. And these, in turn, gravitationally attract each other, joining together and forming larger particles of all types and dimensions. Mass, in turn, is the amount of condensed energy or matter of each particle according to its dimension. Therefore, here we see other errors in the Standard Model and quantum mechanics, since material particles can be of all types and sizes, as has been demonstrated in recent years, and not just a few sizes, as the aforementioned Standard Model tells us. Well, both the study of the physical forces of the cosmos, as well as the formation of particles, orbital systems, their electrical charges, atoms, stars, cosmic levels, etc., I explained and defined in my 1992 Cosmic and Atomic Model, Theory of Everything, which can be found on the website previously presented. And yes, I think the cosmos is simple and easy in its structure, although immense and diverse in its compositions and resulting creations. Well, friends, I appreciate your attention.